That's a camera?
Yeah.
Weird.
Complete system swap, condenser, furnace. This is the previous thing right here. Okay, just so you guys see, old disconnect. Same line sets. Just wait, hey, you're. Alright, so this is furnace room right here. Basic furnace. For some reason there's a gap here, and then the coil starts here. Same line set. Everything else is gonna be swapped. This is the electrical. Someone's mail. Gas is off. For some reason there's a return here next to the unit. Okay. Alright, so this is an uncased coil. Obviously you can see the box was made for it by hand. That's why it's uncased. So there's a 4-inch filter rack?
Yeah, 5-inch.
Oh, 5-inch. 5-inch filter rack. Okay. Alright, so this is a more, I don't want to say better, but it is thicker filter. This one particularly right here is 5 inches thick, which normally they come in at 1 inch. So this filter right here is just showing you guys what it looks like while it's getting installed, so you guys can see. You know, it's just a box. Nothing fancy. Alright, so this is a PAYNE system. Brand is PAYNE. And it's pretty nice. So it's pretty nice. It's 80% efficiency unit. This is the coil. It has an, I don't know what this is, but it has an A coil and then this part right here. This is different. And then OSTXV. 5-inch filter. Alright, so this is basic humidifier. April Air 500. So I'm gonna show you guys what's a humidifier, what's involved in a humidifier, and at the end of the day I'm gonna put it right here just so you guys see. This is a bypass. Alright, so this is currently where we're at right now. We still got a few minor things to do, but this is the main stuff. So let me just show you guys. Obviously, new furnace. This is a new brand. And then 5-inch filter here. And then obviously the coil here. And then I ended up sealing the corners. All this I had to redo custom just to make sure, you know, I needed it to look nice at the end of the day. And then this is the humidifier right here. I still got it connected, but it's small things. These are small things. Just showing you guys the main thing. And then this guy got a new return right here because he said the basement was cold. Same thing with the electrical and the gas. These we still gotta finish these off, but these in a quick minute we'll finish them off. No big deal. I just wanted to show you guys the infill structure, which is the unit and the sheet metal, because I might forget to record this later. Obviously we didn't put a pan, bricks, shoes, anything. He didn't want the deluxe package, so when you don't want the deluxe package, that's what you get. It's fine. It's not a big deal. But yeah, at the end of the day, he's okay. So this ends up being the unit right here. This one right here is PAYNE. It's a quiet little unit, nothing crazy. Same thing, nice clean. Same thing, a pad. We still gotta insulate this, but for now, that way you can at least look what's going on. Same whip. Whip is extra. If you want to change the disconnect in the whip, it's no big deal. We'll swap it out real fast. Also, the line set is an option if you want to change it, but obviously it costs more. But here we go.